Passport photos can cost around $15 at a photo store, but you can make one at home with just your iPhone. In this tutorial I'll show the whole process with an app called Snapport, the right size, a clean background, and a print-ready sheet. Here is the plan 1. Pick the official size 2. Align your face with the guides 3. Swap the background 4. Gentle, natural touch-ups 5. Run the review checklist 6. Export or print a 4x6 sheet. First, pick your size. Snapport has templates for many regions: the US 2x2 passport, UK and Schengen visas, Japan, Korea and more, plus ID, student ID and resume sizes. Choose the one your application asks for. Take a photo or import one, then line the face up with the smart guides for head, eyes and chin so the proportions match the official template. Official photos usually need a plain, light background. Swap it right on your device, no studio, and the photo is never uploaded anywhere. Make gentle adjustments like brightness and contrast. Keep it subtle. The photo still has to look exactly like you. Before you submit, run through the review checklist. One person in the photo, face clearly visible, eyes open, neutral expression, head centered, and always double-check the official requirements of your destination. Rules differ by country. Finally, export a JPEG, PNG or PDF for online applications, or a print-ready 4x6, A4 or letter sheet with cut guides, and print it at any photo kiosk for a fraction of the studio price. Your photos never leave your iPhone. No account, no cloud. Snapport is pay once, no subscription. Search Snapport on the App Store.